This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Hunt. Excellent value in the elegant and luxurious Lesina at Hammock Bay. An extremely open floor plan awaits as you enter through private foyer from secured semi-private elevator. Enjoy sunrise to sunset views from lovely lanai and balconies. Third bedroom is furnished as a den/office with sleeper sofa. Grand salon combines living and dining rooms. Additionally, a family room offers more space for entertaining, adjacent to open gourmet kitchen with breakfast bar. Amenities at Lesina are unsurpassed and include resort-style pool with spa and air-conditioned social pavilion, social rooms with entertainment areas, billiards, bar and club seating, library, state-of-the-art surround sound theater with tiered seating, fitness center with sauna, 2 guest suites and 2 under-building parking spaces number 153 and number 174. Climate-controlled storage space #B46. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Hunt at 941-394-2505.